Whenever we start talking about music theory, one topic is almost guaranteed to show up, and that's the circle of fifths. Now, I've always struggled with the circle of fifths. It's never fully made sense to me as it's presented by even lots of folks on the internet today. Well, coming from the Great White North, we had to learn French in school. We also had to learn music. We learned the circle of fifths the same way we learn, say, the periodic table. You memorize it, lay it down, and hope for the best. But that's not quite right. What the circle of fifths really is a cheat sheet. You know, you've had exams where you'd prefer it to be an open book, the teacher wants it to be a closed book, and so you compromise, you get to fill out sort of a one-pager that you can bring into the exam. That's what the circle of fifths is. It's a quick and dirty way, if you understand the basics, for you to calculate or figure out stuff on the fly. What do I mean by that? Well, what is the circle of fifths? Now, the guitar is the best tool for learning music theory, and this is something that really did blow my mind. When we want to talk about the circle of fifths, all we really need to do is recognize we start on a C. The first fifth from a C is going to be the G, and then we just keep going with power chords. And that's the circle of fifths. There's nothing interesting about it. It's just a pattern of notes. Now, we do a lot of stuff with that pattern that really helps us out. And on the guitar, somebody who was clever way back when really did put the ideas of music theory into the guitar as a built-in element. And so we do get that nice circle of fifths as a natural element of playing the guitar. So if we change our mindset on the circle of fifths from it being something hard and intricate and complicated to really being a reference, a cheat sheet for us to make fast calculations with, suddenly it takes on a new meaning. And it really just comes down to realizing it's a bunch of power chords, and then we can do things with a bunch of power chords.